Volcanic eruption. So, our next topic is volcanic eruption, an opening in the crust that allows hot molten rocks, ash, and gases to escape from below the surface of the earth is called volcanic eruption. The word volcano comes from the name of the Roman god of fire, Vulcan. To understand the volcano, first we see the structure of the volcano. The magma comes from the mantle of the earth and reaches the crust through a vertical tunnel called vent. As you seen in the diagram, the vertical tunnel vent, in the bracket it is mentioned by the main pipe. Okay, so when the magma reaches the earth's surface, it is called the lava. When it is in the vent, it is called the magma, but when it comes out from the vent, then it is called the lava. Types of volcanoes. Depending upon the state of a volcano, it can be classified as active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Now, the first is the active volcano. It is the clear from the name a volcano that has erupted in recent past or may erupt anytime is called एक्टिव वोल्केनो. इसका मतलब है कि ऐसे वोल्केनोज जो रिसेंट टाइम में कुछ साल पहले इरप्ट हुआ हो या आने वाले कुछ समय में इरप्ट होने वाले हों, उन्हें एक्टिव वोल्केनो कहते हैं. These types of volcanoes are found in the Pacific area. That is why this area is also called Pacific Ring of Fire. There are some examples of active volcanoes are Mount Vesuvius, Mount Etna, Mount Erebus, and Mount Fuji. In India, Barren Island is the only active volcano. It is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. This was firstly erupted in 1787 and then in 1991, and it threw out lava continuously for months. Second is dormant volcano. A volcano that has not erupted in last 200 recent years but may erupt in the future is called a dormant volcano. And the example of these type of volcano are Mount Kilimanjaro and Narcondon. And the last is extinct volcano. The volcanoes that erupted 10,000 years ago but cannot erupt in future are called extinct volcanoes. And the example of these type of volcanoes are Hawaiian Emperor Seamount chain in the Pacific Ocean and the Zuidwal volcano in Netherlands. In our solar system, Venus have most number of active volcanoes and Mars have extinct volcanoes. Tsunami. Now, our last topic is tsunami. A disaster resulting from a destructive sea wave is known as tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word meaning harbor waves. Tsunami have no connection with tides, but they just look like a high tide. It is caused by an underwater volcanic eruption or landslide in an area where a huge volume of water is displaced, causing a massive destruction. Underwater earthquakes and volcanoes result in giant waves which travel at a speed of 800 km per hour, and the maximum height of the wave that has been recorded is 15 meters. The damage caused by these waves is immense. Tsunami results in the destruction of life and properties in an area. On 26 December 2004, an earthquake measuring 9.0 on the Richter scale caused the tsunami in Indian Ocean. It resulted in widespread death and destruction across 11 countries including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, etc. Tsunamis can also be caused due to the nuclear explosion and when outer space objects fall on the earth close to or into the sea. Now our next topic is effect of tsunami. Tsunami destroy coastal life and property. A lots of reconstruction activities need to be initiated. Affected people need supplies of clothing, food, medicines, drinking water and bedding on a daily basis.